Alright, on today's episode, we're going to be making cheesy garlic bread pull-aparts. These things are so good.
Okay, first you will need to gather all your ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1 can of biscuits. These are the ones we like to use. Then you'll need 4 to 5 mozzarella sticks, a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, which we'll do later on, 3 tablespoons of butter, half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, and half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a measuring cup, a knife, a mixing bowl, and a muffin tin.
Alright, so let's go ahead and start it off by preheating your oven to 375. You can go ahead and start heating up while you're getting everything else ready. Alright, so for the next step, you're going to want to go ahead and open up your biscuits. This was always fun to me whenever I was a child. You're going to want to go ahead and lay them all out.
Next, you're going to want to chop up all your biscuits. So you're trying to dice them into about 1/2 inch cubes. They don't need to be perfect. They're still going to taste good either way. Once that's done, you'll toss them all into your bowl and repeat it for all your biscuits. Alright, so for your mozzarella sticks, you're just going to want to chop them up into about 1/2 inch pieces. And then set all of those in a little bowl.
Alright, so for this step, we're going to want to go ahead and chop up the parsley. Go ahead and add it into the bowl. Alright, so for this step, you're going to want to go ahead and put the butter into the microwave. Only do about 15 seconds at a time until it's fully melted. Alright, so once your butter is fully melted, you're going to want to go ahead and take it out of the microwave. And go ahead and mix it with your seasonings.
So now it's time to mix your seasonings into your butter. These were the ones we prepared earlier with 1/2 teaspoon of garlic and 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. So now you'll just want to mix it in. And then stir it until it's fully combined. Once you've finished combining it, it should look about like this. Okay, so now we're going to bring back that chopped up biscuit from earlier and combine everything together. So you need your mozzarella sticks, your parsley, don't want to waste any, and most importantly, your butter mixture. I like to wear gloves for this step because it gets a little bit messy. You're going to want to make sure you keep going until everything is well combined, but be careful not to squish your biscuit dough. When it's fully combined, it should look something like this. Alright, now it's time to form into muffins.
You're going to want to go ahead and split this into 6 even portions.
How's that?
Good.
This step's a little tricky because you got to make sure you mix mozzarella and biscuit dough, and the mozzarella can be a little slippery.
You can always add more mozzarella if you'd like as well.
We do love cheese.
We do love cheese.
think we might have an extra one.
Nothing wrong with that.
We have all of our garlic breads done, so they should look something like this. Alright, now it's time to put these in the oven. You're going to want to put them in for about 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. Don't forget to set your timers. This step is the least work, but the easiest to forget. Hey bugs, you helping? You helping? Say hi.
Alright, so let's go ahead and check on these and see how they're doing. Oh yeah, those are looking really good.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know if you tried this too.